A busy mom packs lunch for her kids. Hi, my name is Mary. I am a busy mom. A very busy mom. It is 6:30 in the morning. Time to pack lunch for my kids. To begin with, I open the fridge. I see bread, ham, and fresh vegetables. What can I make for my kids today? Aha! Let's make a healthy sandwich. First, I cut the bread into slices. I add some ham and cheese. Then I put some green lettuce inside. Wow, it looks very delicious. Next, I wash some carrots and cucumbers. I cut them into small sticks. This makes the vegetables crunchy and fun to eat. Thanks to this idea, my kids always finish their greens. Afterwards, I go to my garden and pick some sweet red grapes. Aw, they are so juicy and fresh. I put them into a small blue box. Grapes are a great snack for school. Let's not forget the snacks. But wait, let me think. Should I give them some cookies? Too much sugar is not good. Aha! I can choose some nuts and honey instead. These snacks are very healthy. My kids love crunchy nuts too. Meanwhile, I write a small note. Have a great day, my loves. I put the note inside the lunchbox. I hope the kids enjoy their food today. Finally, the lunchboxes are ready. I put them into their backpacks. Now I can wake up the kids. What a busy but happy morning. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. What time does Mary start packing lunch? Answer. She starts at 6:30 in the morning. Question 2. What does she put inside the sandwich? Answer. She puts ham, cheese, and green lettuce inside. Question 3. Why does she cut carrots and cucumbers? Answer. Because her kids love crunchy and fun-to-eat vegetables. Question 4. Does she give her kids cookies? Answer. No, she chooses nuts and honey instead. Question 5. What does she write on the small note? Answer. She writes, "Have a great day, my loves." Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.